My name is AJ Altizer here at Hilton Head Honda, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your iPhone or Android device with your CR-V, EX, and above. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to hit the phone button on your screen. As soon as you press your phone button, it's going to say, would you like to pair a new phone? We're going to hit yes. As soon as we hit yes, it's going to ask you to turn your Bluetooth on your mobile device, which will be your iPhone or your Android device. Hit continue there, and it will start to search. Then we're gonna take up our phones here. We're gonna go into the Bluetooth setting, and it will come up and say your name, AJ's iPhone. So I'll hit AJ's iPhone, and then I'm going to hit pair on my phone, allow everything. Everything that I ask for, you'll just allow. And then the car will ask you if you like to turn Honda Link Assist on. You'll always hit the on button there. As soon as you are done, you'll see it'll say connected on your phone and it will say connected on the screen. That's pretty much it, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, just come in and see me.